Hey Ichabod fans, I'm Cash J, and as a proud member of the Washburn Ichabods baseball team, I wanted to take a moment to give a special shout out to an amazing sponsor that supports our team and all of Washburn athletics, Cindy Glynn, Realtor with Coldwell Banker, American Home. Cindy isn't just a fantastic realtor, she's a true supporter of our community and our athletes. Whether you're looking to buy or sell a home, Cindy's dedication and work ethic make the process smooth and enjoyable. With Cindy's help, many families in our community have found their dream homes. And as student athletes, we know how important it is to have that support behind us. It's people like Cindy who help make our team and our university thrive. When you choose Cindy Glynn, you're not just getting a great agent, you're supporting the future of Washburn athletics. We're proud to partner with businesses that invest in our success both on and off the field. So if you're in the market for a new home or just want to support someone who supports our Ichabod family, reach out to Cindy Glynn. You can find her contact details in the caption below. Let's show her some love, Ichabods. Go Ichabods, and remember, together we can achieve great things both on and off the field and in our community. Thanks, Cindy.
Hi, I'm Cindy Glynn, Realtor with Coldwell Banker American Home. I would love to help you buy or sell your next home. Call me today to schedule a consultation. I am a proud sponsor of Washburn Athletics and Kansas High School and Youth Athletic programs. Call me today.